Class 10 children, welcome to today's online class. So today I have come up again with a new question from the chapter Factorization. So today's question is different from the other last two questions. So today's question is, use factor theorem to factorize the following polynomial: x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. So as I have told you children that whenever we have x cube, then I have told because of power 3, because of cube, we will have 3 factors of the given expression, given polynomial. Polynomial and expression both are same word, same thing, same meaning. So this expression will have 3 factors. So none of the factors are given, not even a single factor. So we have to find all the 3 factors. So when such question comes, our work will start from the rough part. So in the rough, what will you do? The same expression you will write in the rough. And then what will you do? In place of x, you will put the values like 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2 and so on. Now, when to stop our work? I will tell you. When your result is 0, then you stop your work. But when your result is not 0, you keep on putting different values. So here you start with 1. That means you start x value with 1. So in this expression, I have put x value as 1. So x cube means 1 cube plus x square means 1 square minus 4 into x value 1 and minus 4. So in this expression, I have put the value of x as 1. Now 1 cube is 1 plus 1 square is 1 minus 4 ones are minus 4 and minus 4 same. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 4 is minus 8. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So we did not get 0. So when we don't get 0, the next step is put the value of x as minus 1. So same expression I wrote here, and this time the value of x is minus 1. So you can see in place of x I have put minus 1 and there is whole cube because of this cube, plus x square means minus 1 square, minus 4 into x means minus 1. So minus 4 into minus 1 and this minus 4 is same. Next, minus 1 cube is minus 1 because 1 cube is 1 but minus with odd power. That means minus remains minus. This plus comes here. Minus 1 square is plus 1 because even power minus becomes plus and 1 square is 1. So this became finally 1. And minus into minus is plus, 4 ones are 4. And this minus 4 is same. Now you can see minus 1 plus 1. It gets cancelled. Same number plus minus. Plus 4 minus 4. This also gets cancelled. We got 0. So when we get 0, our work stops there. So now what will happen? Here in this rough work, we have to decide, there only we will get one factor. Like how we got 0? When x was minus 1. So when x was minus 1, we got the result as 0. So we can say this minus 1 when comes this side, the minus 1 will become plus 1. So x plus 1 equal to 0. So x plus 1 is our one factor. So when we know one factor, the other 2 factors also will come to know. Now this is a rough work. This rough work you have to put in the solution. So here what you do, you start your work with therefore fx equal to the same expression you write, fx equal to x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Now you all know value of x was minus 1 to get 0. So in place of x you put minus 1. So same thing, minus 1 cube. Same work will now start here. Same thing but in a little bit different way by writing fx. So minus 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Next, minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1, same thing. I am repeating here. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Minus into minus plus 4 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. Minus 1 plus 1 got cancelled equal to 0. And then we can write, since x equal to was minus 1, therefore x plus 1, this came this side, is 1. X plus 1 is one factor. This is one factor of given expression or polynomial, whatever. So when x is minus 1, that means x plus 1 is one factor. And when we come to know one factor, the other two factors we come to know. How? Now this x plus 1, we will have to write it as a divisor, and this expression will be dividend, and then we will find quotient. So from the quotient we will get the other. So I am erasing this part. As you all know, x plus 1 is the factor. So x plus 1 you write as divisor, and the expression x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4, you write this expression as dividend. Divisor, dividend, and now quotient will come. Now x will multiply with what? Then you get x cube, x square. X square into x is x cube. Next, x square plus 1 will be x square. So now it's time to subtract. Plus becomes minus, and this plus becomes minus. Here this also got cancelled, this also got cancelled. Now it's time to come down, minus 4x, but it has become a single expression. So you can bring down minus 4 also. Had there been something here, then only minus 4x would come down, but there is nothing, both of them got cancelled. So now you can directly write both the expressions. Now minus 4x you have to bring, so x will multiply with what? Then it will become minus 4x. Then I will say it will multiply with minus 4. Then what will happen? Minus 4 into x is minus 4x. Minus into plus is minus, 4 ones are 4. So now again subtract, this minus becomes plus, this minus becomes plus. Everything got cancelled. Why? Because plus minus same expression we can cancel. So what are we getting on the quotient? That you write. Therefore x square minus 4 we are getting. Now normally we get a middle term splitting expression, but here we got formula of a square minus b square. That means good news for you that we did not get middle term splitting. Normally we get middle term splitting expressions also. So now this will become a formula of a square minus b square. So its formula is a plus b into a minus b. So here a plus b will be x plus 2, a minus b will be x minus 2, x plus 2 and x minus 2. So now we have the three factors. These are two factors and x plus 1 is the other factor. Therefore x plus 1, x plus 2 and x minus 2, this 2 and this one are the factors of given expression. So the question was factorize completely. Use factor theorem to factorize the following polynomial. To factorize, you have to use the factor theorem. So this all are factor theorem, and now I have factorized. So this is our answer, children.